Hey guys, this is the Bass Guide. Hey, I'm here to talk about grounds or ground wires in that general. Um, and you all know the car audio world is big when it comes to grounds and where you should properly ground your ground wires at and what is the best place. All right, now, if you all know back in the 90s, late 90s, early 2000s or whatever, grounds has been set up in normal positions like the frame of the truck, well, not the frame, but more like the chassis, with metal to metal contact. Now, I think we have lost the sight of the purpose of a ground. All right, you all know grounds are used basically not to fry your applications, like your amplifiers or your or any type of devices that requires a ground. Now, you can put a ground anywhere, long as it has straight metal. Now, I'm racking my head trying to figure out, hey, where am I going to put my grounds at for this setup right here, you know? And I was like, you know what? I'm thinking in my head because I've been hearing so much. Okay, need to ground it to the frame of the truck. No, you don't. You don't have to ground it to the frame of the truck because you can ground it anywhere. The ground will be a lot. I won't say a lot more stable, but it will look pretty. But as long as you have a solid ground, meaning metal to metal contact and it's tight, you'll be fine. All right. And I said to myself, like, you know what? I have this distribution block. I can put 5 grounds in here. For one, it'll waste time for me running all my wires through here. Why do that when I can connect my ground right here? I'll put this distribution block right here and run 5 grounds straight to the battery. You know? And the thing about me with my grounds, when I do my grounds, I check my grounds with my voltmeter to make sure I'm at 0 or 0 ohms. I think anything past like 0.3 ohms or something like that, you may want to check your connections. But just so you all know, when it comes to grounds, as long as your ground is tight and the connection is secure and you test your ground and you have just 0.1 ohms on your ground readings, you'll be fine. All right, don't get so caught up in thinking you have to put it to the frame of the truck, because for one, that's more wire you have to use, and that's more stress you're gonna have to add on your freaking brain. So when it comes to grounds, you can put grounds anywhere as long as it's in a good location, and I'm not talking about like sheet metal, something that's not connected to the truck, but metal to metal contact, that's all that matters. As long as that electricity goes somewhere to prevent your amplifiers from frying. As long as you do that, you'll be fine. All right, you guys got any more questions regarding grounds or have any questions, hit me up.